Textbook diagrams of our solar system are a convenient lie. They show planets clustered like marbles on a table. The truth is, space is mostly just space. The sheer scale is hard to grasp. Let's try. If the Sun, which contains 99.8% of all the mass in the system, were a giant 2-meter wide beach ball, Earth would be the size of a single peppercorn. Jupiter, the king of planets, would be a grapefruit. The rest of the planets are just scattered grains of sand. To measure the immense voids between these specks, astronomers use the astronomical unit, or AU. 1 AU is the distance from Earth to the Sun, about 150 million kilometers. We are at 1 AU, but Neptune, the last major planet, is a distant 30 AU away. Out there, 30 times farther than us, our Sun is no longer a warm, glowing disk. It's just a brilliant star in a black sky. This precise distance is everything. Earth sits in the Goldilocks zone, where it's not boiling hot like Mercury or frozen solid like Mars. It's just right for liquid water. Imagine it this way. On a 100-meter football field, place the Sun on one goal line. Earth would be a tiny speck just 1 meter away. Jupiter is at the 5-meter line. Neptune, only 30 meters out. The entire known planetary system takes up less than a third of the field. The rest of the field, and the vast stadium beyond, is the deep, silent, empty space of our own cosmic backyard.